In this video I will show you step by step how you can earn money through TopCashback. Now first of all, there is a link in the description. If you sign up you will be eligible for a free £10 bonus once you earn your first £10 cashback. Now once we've signed up, what we can do is we can head over to the TopCashback app, and then once we open it up right here, there is two main ways that you can earn money through TopCashback. Now one way will be to get cashback through your everyday purchases through places like Voucher, Crocs, Card Factory, Boots, Very, and so on and so forth. Now there is many high profile retailers and also online retailers that you can use this with. If you scroll down you will see the trending ones at the moment. If you scroll down a little bit further, there is travel deals, there is fashion deals, there is home and garden, there is many different categories, and like I said before, high profile retailers that you can earn cashback from. Now if you want to earn cashback, what we can do is, for example, if we want to purchase something from Currys, we will click on this, click on where it says get up to 22% cashback, and then that will redirect us over to Currys, and this is how TopCashback do track the purchases that you have made in order to go ahead and give you cashback. Now once you go ahead and purchase through this link, that's how TopCashback do track this, and then once you've done that, it will then go into this pot right here, and then as you will notice, transactions will take around 1 day on average to show in your account. Once it has cleared, it will be in this page right here. And that is one way that you can make money through TopCashback. The second way that we can make money is if we go to more in the bottom right hand corner and then go to tell a friend. Once we do this, you will now see you have got your own unique affiliate code. Now what we can do is go ahead and copy this to a clipboard. You will then be able to send this to your friends, and also we have got a QR code which your friends will be able to scan to sign up through your link. Once they sign up through your link, they will be eligible for a free £10 bonus once they have earned their first £10 cashback. And that is the main two ways that you can make money through TopCashback, and you can earn quite a lot of money by doing this. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And without further ado, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.